Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple logo animation like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition, I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to File and import your logo. Drag and drop, then I'll press S to decrease it and make it smaller than this. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type whip. Card whip. Double click or drag and drop. Okay, so now I'll go to first frame, keyframe on transition completion and I'll change it to 90. Then I'll go 3 seconds forward and I'll change it to 0. And also I'll change flip order left to right to left. Okay. And I'll go to back layer and I'll change it to none. Yeah. And see this. Yeah. Also, don't forget to change back layer to none. Also, I'll change rows here to 12. Okay. And that's all here. Okay, this is good. So now I'll go to effect, color correction and tint and I'll change this color to blue. Something like this and yeah. Yeah. I think it's very weird, but don't worry. So I'll go to stylize, glow, then I'll go to threshold and I'll change it to 20. Okay. Yeah. So now I'll go to logo, Control D to copy, then I'll go to glow and I'll remove it. Then I'll go to tint and I'll change these colors to black and see this. Okay, now I'll go to first frame, keyframe on amount to 10, then go 3 seconds forward and I'll change it to 0. So now you can see our animation. Okay, something like this. Okay, so now last one, I'll go to logo, Control D to copy, and I'll remove tint. Okay, then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type fractal or fractal noise. Double click. I'll go to basic and I'll change it to cloudy, soft linear to block. Then I'll go to brightness, I'll change it to 10. And also complexity, I'll change it to 1. Then I'll go to evolution, go to keyframe, press Alt or hold Alt and keyframe here. And I'll type time times 1000. Okay. See this? Okay. Yeah. So I'll go to effect, color correction, and I'll go to tree tone and I'll change these colors to something like blue or maybe like this. Let me change the white color to black. Okay, then I'll change it to add. Okay. Yeah. seconds forward and I'll press T, opacity and keyframe, change it to 0, and I'll go here, I'll change it to 80. Okay, and see this. This is our animation. Okay, now I take them all and right click, pre-compose, I'll name it logo. And I'll go to layer, new camera, hit OK. I'll make it 3D. And I'll go to switches if you don't see this, and I'll make it 3D. Then I'll go to camera, right click, and I'll go to camera and create orbit null. Then I'll press R, rotation. I'll go to orientation, keyframe, I'll change it to 90. Then I'll go 2 seconds forward and I'll change it to 0. Okay, something like this, or maybe 2-3 seconds forward will be good. And see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.